That's a whole vibe. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miko and thank you all for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like what you see. Okay, so in this video I wanted to give you guys my two favorites straight wigs right now. These two wigs are bomb. One of them I've already opened, I've already worn, and then the second one will be an unboxing as well as a try-on of the wig. So, are you guys ready? Oh, and by the way, if you guys want to know more about this wig that I made myself and the hair, then let me know. It is human hair. So, yeah, let me know if you like to know the details. This is like my everyday wig. It's definitely my go-to wig, so. Alright, let's get into the video. Tidy. First, I want to get into this wig. It's a Naturali Star lace wig, and her name is Chex, and she's in the number 4. Packaging is so cute. I got it from my beauty supply store. I think that it was a little pricier at my beauty supply store. I think it was about $60, like after tax. But I'll see if I can find it on online at like Sam's Beauty or something. They may have it cheaper. So like I said, I've already cut the lace on this wig and I've already opened it and tried it on. I just kept the box for you guys so that I can show you all like the packaging and things like that. Big hair, very big hair. I've worn this in the picture on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should. It is me.koh. And I'm showing off this wig in a photo shoot. I kind of cut a little bit more on the front to kind of frame my face. If you're cutting any wigs, make sure that you are old enough to use scissors on your own and that you have someone else help you out, like a parent. If you're younger, I kind of have to say that because last time on YouTube, they like disabled my comments because I was showing you guys how I cut my crochet braids. So. Alright YouTube, disclaimer, she has 2 combs in the front, which comes in handy. Adjustable straps, I already have them adjusted because I've worn this. Let me try this on real quick and I'll come back to you guys with it on. This is how it is as a middle part, which I think is supposed to be a middle part, but I like more of a side part, so I'm gonna look at the viewfinder and kind of change it to the side. Yeah, I like it to the side. That's cute. Okay. This is the wig, and child, this wig is so cute. The lace is kind of out. I'll pull it forward a little bit. If you want to add some concealer and like fix your baby hairs here, and there's also some baby hairs in the wig that are pretty long, but you can cut them or you can like fix those baby hairs so that they look real natural on there too. Yeah, this is how long it is. It goes like all the way to my butt if you stretch it, but it pretty much goes lower back area. Okay, so next we're gonna get into this other wig that I'm gonna unbox for you guys. I tried it on at the beauty supply store before I bought it and I thought it was super cute. I usually wear like very afro like hair. I did want to see how something straight would look on me. Freedom Part Lace 402 in the color SR30. So it is like an ombre color. This is what she's looking like so far. Very long, and I usually don't even do like a lot of color. So this is her so far. Okay, she's pretty flat at the top, so that's nice. You see this color? Yeah, and then she has like the darker at the roots. This is giving me Beyonce Knowles vibes. Okay, this is how it's looking straight on so far. Ooh, this hair, there's a lot of hair going on. This is sheddy. It's already shedding. And I just took this out of the pack. You know me, I gotta do a side part. The lace is still on there. But wow, this is how it's looking so far. Okay. I'm not mad, I'm not mad. I like how it lays flat and the baby hairs are doing something. The baby hairs are doing some stuff. I haven't even cut the lace yet. I feel like it's really flat. It looks very good. And I know when I cut the lace, it's gonna look even better. And I haven't even adjusted the straps. This is how long it's looking. Oh, oh, yes, queen. Yes, queen. Show y'all the construction of the cap. So the cap has 2 combs here, one there, one here. Adjustable straps as usual. And the lace kind of just goes like right up here at the front, and then it has the part, and then tracks the rest of the way. So let me cut this lace real quick, put it back on, see if I can style it a little bit. I have a tiny head, as y'all can see. I got a little peanut head, and I have my hair in these small braids so I can wear these wigs. I don't even know if that's tight enough. I adjusted the straps like a lot. Alright. Okay, so obviously we need to like push it back so nobody want their wig up on their forehead like that. You can probably put some concealer right here to conceal the lace to make it look more natural. I had to change shirts, y'all, because that other shirt was irking my nerves. But I figured I should probably brush it on camera so you guys can see like how it is with shedding and like tangles, and is it like super tangly. So right now I haven't combed it yet. This is my first time combing it, and the comb, it's a wide tooth comb, mind you. The comb seems to be gliding pretty well through the hair, as y'all can see. This is all the shedding I got. I don't know if you guys see. That's a lot of shedding. Let me show you guys the full length again. So I'm 5'5". This is how it's looking. It's giving me mermaid vibes for sure. The back. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll leave the information to the 2 wigs that I tried on in the description box below. Follow me on all of my social media. You can follow me on Instagram at Miko, me.koh. Send me a DM if you have any questions. And turn on your notifications so you guys know when I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching.